Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. Signs of a bad head gasket in your vehicle. Overheating. Head gasket failure can result from an engine overheating too frequently due to a blocked radiator, coolant leak, a broken fan, etc. But the opposite is also true. An engine can overheat due to a blown head gasket. An overheated engine can result from hot exhaust gases leaking into the cooling system or coolant leaking into the cylinders and burning off as steam. The alloy cylinder head may warp if the car is driven while it is overheating, and steam damage to the catalytic converter can significantly increase the cost of repair. Power loss. If a head gasket fails and compressed air or fuel leaks out, the cylinder's compression is decreased. This loss of compression causes the engine to run poorly and significantly reduces engine power. Typically, this kind of failure is accompanied by an exhaust leak-like sound. Contamination oil. The milky sludge that is sometimes jokingly referred to as a milkshake or mayonnaise on the underside of the oil filler cap or the dipstick is one of the most obvious signs of head gasket failure. This is brought on by coolant and oil mixing together. This is a generally good indicator and a sure sign that your engine needs to be disassembled to identify the source of the contamination, even though it is not absolute proof of head gasket failure. Additionally, since the oil will now be tainted with antifreeze, any driving will quickly destroy the engine's bearings. At the very least, the engine needs to have its oil refilled, the oil filter replaced, and the bottom end of the engine is frequently completely disassembled to check the bearings are damaged and clear out all contaminated oil. Smoke white. The most common symptom of a bad head gasket is billowing clouds of fragrant white smoke coming from the exhaust. The antifreeze that leaks past the gasket and into the cylinders, where it is converted to steam during combustion, is what causes the smoke. A bluish smoke would result from a less frequent, but still possible, leak from an oil passage to the cylinder. In the event of either of these gasket failures, combustion pressure may also enter the cooling system or the oil breather system. This could be the cause if a radiator hose unexpectedly loses its water outlet or if the dipstick won't stay in place. External leaks. A straightforward coolant or oil leak may result from a cylinder head gasket blowing between the water or oil passage and the outside of the engine. Even though it's the least serious kind of blown head gasket, this is still a serious situation. Even though an external leak might not be noticeable right away, aside from making a mess, if the coolant level is allowed to fall too low, it can cause serious engine problems. The other problem is that hot exhaust from oil leaks could cause noxious smoke and even fire. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.